This video will show you how to make a Followage command with Nightbot. Start by going to the Nightbot website. If you haven't already, you will need to connect Nightbot to your Twitch account. Authorize access. Press the Join Channel button to add Nightbot to your Twitch chat. Open the Commands option on the left. Choose Custom. Press Add Command. Select the command box. Type !Followage. Switch to the message box. Type in your chosen message. Copy and paste the code from the first link in the description. Set the user level and cool down as you'd like. Press Submit. Head to your Twitch chat. Mod Nightbot in your chat by typing /mod Nightbot. Now, when a user in your channel types !Followage, they will see their follow time.